Today I am going to demonstrate the experiment of multiplication of two 8-bit number in microcontroller lab 4EC423, which is based on CO1 develop skills related to assembly language programming of microprocessor and microcontroller. As we know that in 8085 no one instruction is used for directly for multiplication, so when we take two numbers for multiplication, we perform repeated addition method for multiply the two numbers. In this program, we take 04 value in register B and save 02 in register C using repeated addition method. Here is the flow chart in which we save the 00H in register A, 04H which is our first value in register B and 02H in register C. Register C is also a counter in which we will check again and again that its value will become 0 or not. First we add register A and B, then we check the value of register C. If it's 0, then the program will stop, and if it's not, then repeated addition will perform again. Here is the program. We start the memory address 7000H. Here is the opcode of the first instruction, that is MVI A. 3E is the opcode of MVI A, and here is the program as we explained in flowchart. For performing the program in experimental kit, we use 8085 kit, SMPS, power supply and the keyboard. Now we perform this experiment at experimental kit. Here is the procedure. First we press the key S, then enter, then again enter, then first address, or you can say starting address of the memory location, that is 700, enter, then the opcode, that is 3E, again enter, then first press key S, then enter, then again enter, then starting address of the memory location. Our starting address is 7000, then 3E, then enter. Automatically it's incrementing. You can see here it's 7001. We press another number, another code, that is 00, then enter, then 06, 06, 2002, it's 0006, then 7, then again press enter, 7003, 04, then enter, 0E, then enter, 02, then enter, 80, then enter, 0D, then enter, C2, then again enter, 06, then enter, 70, then enter, CF, now again enter. Now our steps for execution the program is, first press escape key, then G, capital G, then enter, and starting address of the memory location 7000, then enter. Now we will check our answer, or you can say our result. For checking the result, we will press S key, then enter, then any key except enter or escape key. Again same process, any key, escape, enter. Now we can see the result, that is in A, register A, that is 08H. Now our program is completed.